Alright, so hello everybody, welcome back to my video once again. So today in this video, I would love to share with you a common things. But it is very special, What is the thing, my dear brother sister? How can you improve your accent? So today I will discuss these things. So we have to discuss about these things, my dear brother sister, because it is very important for all of us. So I think if I share those kinds of things or with my lovely audience, it will be better for them. That's why I would like to discuss about these things, my dear brother sister. So if you want to improve your accent, you have to listen. Okay, brother, you can tell me, brother, why you are saying about these things. We already know about these things, so why you are actually sharing those kind of things with us? So my dear brother and sister, you believe or not, I have to say truth. Whether you believe or not, it doesn't matter. But I have to say truth. It is truth. If you have a beautiful accent, people always want to listen your lecture. You can engage people in your video. That's why this is my final request to you. You need to improve your accent. Accent is so important, my dear brother and sister. So you can listen lots of lectures, like I listen motivational lecture every day. So it is truly important to all of us. So whatever you like, I cannot actually force you. You have to listen these things. You have to listen this lecture, that lecture. No, I don't want to say it like this. But you have to listen. You can listen podcast, motivational lecture, audiobooks. Just do it, and I believe you will be great speaker, as well as your accent will be improved. Just pray for me. All the best.